Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's nighttime right now. I'll be playing. I guess my little sister thought of this idea that we gotta like fix up these slimes all here.
It's kind of like just a mirror. It's kind of what some of her videos are. It's like they're not the worst slimes. We have to make them a little better, but just you have to pick one of these ingredients, and they're gonna be in the pile with the slime. So if you don't get one of these, you just have to stick with a slime. So we got.
I don't think we could really fix these ones though.
Yeah, we can we can put some of this in there. This is kind of watery.
Only if we had like some decorations.
We do. We only have 3 decorations, and if we get these these ones right here, we can only have 2 of these.
It's a jiggly.
But yeah, are you ready?
Okay. So I guess the way she said is that we have to close our eyes. And what we'll do, actually, Doug, is we'll put the ingredients over here first.
Then we'll get the slimes.
Okay, we'll have these two as a separate pile. The Halloween slimes here, the slime gloop slimes there, and the big slimes here. So the first one is you gotta pick a number 1 through 4.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so this is number 4. So choose one of those. With your eyes closed. I'll mix them up.
Ready?
Go. Okay, so that's the slime. She just actually got that today, so I don't think she could really fix that. I mean, she could probably make it more stretchy or something. But other than that, that means I'm stuck with this one. Hold off for a minute, please.
Okay, hold on. Hold on, I pulled my slime out. Pull the slime out.
I'm just waiting for her to hold this so I can show you guys my slime that I have to try to fix.
That's the new trolls. I need that one for a while.
Don't click no buttons. Be careful.
Okay.
So, mine is this.
She got the worst slime.
And the thing is, I think she didn't make this one. I think she just bought this one.
Yeah, Mama bought that one.
So, yeah. So, that's the one I gotta fix.
Okay. 1 through 5.
No, we're gonna do these ones. You know what? Yeah, we'll just continue. So,
1 through 5.
Wait, this is number... No, because there's only... So, it'll be 1 through 3 now. Okay. 1, 2, 2.
I'm so scared.
This is number 2. Okay, close your eyes and you gotta choose one of these.
No, I didn't say anything. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 2. You gotta say 1, 2, 3, and then say your number. 1, 2, 3, 2. It was kind of like, what are the odds? Don't you think?
Yeah, kind of. Okay. Okay.
Which one is that? Bring that one over here, cause
I think this is my new one. I feel like this is the new one I just got.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick mine now. Alyssa, mix those up, please.
Okay, this is the one I just got too.
Here, you gotta hold this too.
Come on.
Make sure nothing happens. Don't turn it off. Don't make sure it's in there.
Oh, sorry. Wait. Okay. Okay. No, you just had the lucky one. No. Yeah.
Oh, you pranked me. Okay. Go again. Guys, this one's actually mine personally. Whoa.
No, this one's actually mine personally. That one's hers.
Oh, yeah, it was like this. No, because remember mine had all the beads at the bottom.
No, mine did.
No. Okay, I'm going to mix them up again.
Ready?
No. You can't.
Why'd you do this?
Because I got to be quiet.
Okay.
I can't trust you. Alyssa! That's alright. I got mine. Okay, so that means I get this one, guys. Mine personally.
Okay.
That I just threw in there.
1 through 3.
And that old one.
1 through 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
No.
Yeah.
We didn't see it.
I always... Oh, okay, fine. No, that would only be 1 through 2 now because there's only 2 stuff things left.
Okay.
So 1 through 2. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so these are number 1. Okay, guys.
Okay.
So I'll mix them up. That one's really sticky.
Come on.
I'll mix them up and she'll have to grab them.
And we could touch them, like the tops. Okay, come on. You done?
Yeah.
I guess on this one. Yay!
Okay, you hold the camera. Don't click that button, and you gotta mix them up.
I know. I did YouTube before. I still do. Okay, ready?
And there's no taking them out. Mom, make sure she don't take them out.
Okay. Guys, I'm gonna try to get this one. Damn it. And don't worry, I'm not gonna lie this time. If one's the lucky one or not. Okay. I'm gonna tell the truth.
Okay.
Okay. Now that's the bad one.
Oh well.
You mother. I was trying to get her to get this one, the worst one. No. Okay.
Hey, it's still playing.
Okay.
Okay, you could just choose one. Okay, so I got. God, hold on. Okay, so I got this one.
What the hell is that?
I fixed these slides from this
And this one's not. It don't have a good texture.
I had that one
It
longer
just
than
ripped.
I had that one longer than the other one.
Okay, and those are hers. And they're.
Okay, let me show her mine.
Wait.
We didn't go
We
through
didn't-
these ones.
Yeah, that's right.
Wait, no, we need to show her them.
Oh,
The textures. My turn to show her the textures.
okay, now it's hers. That one's really sticky. That's the one that I said was sticky, just like a few minutes ago.
Not sticky for me. Okay, I have this one. I have the lid on. Okay. Then I have this one.
That one looks like the old gummy cartoon. Green gummy cartoon.
Okay, ready? 1 out of 5.
No, it's not 1 out of 5.
Yeah, I'm doing 1 out of 5.
1 out of 3 because there's 3 of these here. And then
Fine.
this one's 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
And then you just gotta take one of them.
Okay.
So you don't have to close your eyes for this one, okay?
1 out of 3.
1, 2, 3, 2.
1.
I get 2. You get that one.
Yes.
This one
Rock,
just.
paper, no, rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, fine.
Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, say, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, say, shoot.
Rock, paper,
Scissors,
scissors.
say, shoot.
I won.
Now drag me back.
Okay.
It's like she almost broke one part of the scissors. That part.
Okay, see, now between
Okay.
these. I hope I get the glue. Okay.
So just
So
rock,
this
paper,
is-
scissors,
No, this
4.
is 1,
We'll just do
2,
rock, paper,
and 3.
4.
Wait. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5.
Okay.
Okay, so 1 out of 5.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
rock, paper, scissors.
Where'd you get bananas?
Okay, come on.
Rock, paper, scissors, say, shoot. Shoot.
Sorry. No, Sarah. If you do scissors and I do this, your hand blew up, so that means I won. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, say,
shoot. Wait, no, it's what are the odds?
No, because we both tied on this one, so.
No, but you shot, so that means that's yours. So we do what are the odds again.
Okay. So, 1 out of 4. 1,
2,
2,
3, 2. Which one's 2?
This one.
That was 3.
No, this
That's
wasn't.
1.
No, it wasn't.
Fine.
Okay. Now we have 2 left, so 1 out of 2.
1, 2, 3,
2.
1. Oh, the damn. Mine's not in there, Mom.
Okay, Cece, let's start.
Okay.
So take your slime.
So my first one that I want to do.
Why do I have
Hold
more
on.
slimes than you?
Because you do.
Oh, right. No.
You can do it with some rock, paper, clips, scissors.
Shit, and breaking one part of the scissors with a damn rock.
Okay.
I'm using this.
So, Cece, I'm going to start with this one.
Stapler kind of stuff.
Mom, shut up.
Okay. So.
I think I want to start by kind of... I don't know what to do with this one. Mom, shut up.
Where'd you get paper clips from?
I think I'm going to start
Are you
fixing-
okay?
I don't know.
You're just splurging out any word that comes to your mind.
She's overtired.
Just sleep deprivation.
No, I'm in pain.
I'm
That's
using-
like purple snot.
Mom! Okay, I'm using a 3-in-1.
Why are you using soap? You trying to make a squishy
Mom, shut up.
sponge or some shit?
I have
Shut
literally nothing.
He's making a squishy loopy.
This is all I have to add. There's no fixing this without ingredients. Not decorations.
I'll help a little bit. I have to put it in the bowl.
Yeah, might as well pull those out.
I don't know what the hell you're using 3-in-1 for.
Technically water.
She's the slime expert. Supposedly.
I'm expert in my butt.
What? There's... Ew!
Did you say what?
No, there's not slime on my butt. Dirty children.
I did not even say that.
What? Okay, now I think I want to add... There's literally
I don't
nothing
think
here.
you did anything.
I'm
Oh yeah, it's really scary. Hey, Mom's got Brandy Senator. Let's slap my sister with slime. It's okay. It's
Seer,
okay
this
to go
is still
flying.
brand new.
Hey,
There's no fixing this.
you just added soap. Why are you going to add glue? You can't fix something that's not broken.
Mom, you need to shut the fuck up.
She is
Hey!
broken. Thank God this is not a kid-friendly channel no more. Because if there's cursing and everything in it, they won't let me post it. I'll get discriminized or whatever that shit is.
You are.
You're a disgrace.
You know what? You cried over there with your mermaid outfit on. Little mermaid.
Look at her struggling.
Oh, here we go. We got stuff looking like snot pouring into a bowl.
Mom, shut the hell up.
Looks like milkshake. I want
Shut-
I should have bought it.
This bitch.
Ew. I wonder if the flops look like that in the toilet just now.
Ew! Ah! Ew! I hope this doesn't make it more sticky.
You are very disturbing, Mother.
Yeah.
I'm trying to keep my mind off the pain.
Alyssa, this was supposed to be mint green.
I told you it looked like boogers.
What the heck did you do to it? This was supposed to be a mint green ice cream.
That's what happens when you get to the freaking food dye.
And she put it in that bowl for a different slime.
No, you don't understand. It was probably mint green.
I know, that's why I said it was supposed to be mint green.
Yeah, so it's the right bowl.
Here, no, some of that glue will help it.
What the hell is it gonna happen? It doesn't look like yours. It looks like a dough factory gone wrong.
Ha 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 ha! Shut up.
That looks satisfying. Hey, listen, catch.
Y'all got some problems.
Mom.
Y'all got a brand new carpet, right? You get slime on, I'm not gonna be a happy person.
I don't got slime on it
Why
yet.
you gotta mix that? I just thought that.
Alyssa, you're gonna mess it up. There ain't no fixing that shit.
I need help.
You need more than help. Oh, hell no. There's a
Lucky!
dog on me.
Woo! Get that Lucky, be careful. Come on. Let me come right back in the camera.
Huh?
No, huh?
Is that Haley?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, sorry for the inconvenience, but our neighbor was knocking. It needed help with something. But we're gonna continue. Well, she's gonna continue right now. I think I'll just let you finish it off. And I'm just gonna eat my sherbet ice cream here.
Okay.
We'll make a part 2 one day.
Tomorrow.
Subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and like this video if you would like a part 2, or comment down below if you have another video in mind. I'm gonna start doing the trends that are on right now. One day though. Right now it's just little stuff that she comes up with, or I'll come up with. Look at Bella. And Ozzy. Who else? Hennessy. Bully. Saint. And Lucky's all the way over there behind Alyssa. Oh. Hold on. Rocky. We have a lot of cats, but that's all of our dogs.
Sierra.
Yeah.
Are you going to show them my slime?
That's what she's doing so far.
Huh? Are you showing them?
Yep. Look at that. Such a mess.
It's so sticky right now.
Alyssa, make a facial.
Huh?
I zoomed in on your face.
Oh, really?
Yep, you'll see him when you watch on your tablet. Go on my channel. Okay, guys, I'll give you an update when she's finished. Alright, guys, so she done finished that one slime. Wasn't really paying attention.
No.
Me. So you guys didn't get to see how it looks. But she's really ruining that pink slime right now because she just got it today and there's legit nothing wrong with it, Bug.
Well, I'm making it more stretchier. Guys, can you see that? It's a lot more stretchier.
Okay, guys, so I'm just going to end the video here.
I'm showing them.
Okay,
so
that's her last slime.
Which is
I'm not finishing mine. I don't feel like it.
And then this one
I just want to sit down and watch some nut jobs.
This is the best one I can do. The best I can get it. It's not as sticky as it was before. I should have kept like a little bit before.
Oh, that was a close one. Look at the kitty.
Whoa. But I am kind of. I'll show you guys.
Hold on your shirt.
Sorry. I'll show you guys the rest tomorrow.
Buddy.
As soon as I finish with this. Unless she's the one. She'll wait a couple minutes so I can finish any missing. So pause the video and then.
Okay, you know what, guys? I'm just going to end it here. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and like this video. Hope you guys thought that it was a pretty good video. Like I said, I'm going to try starting some the trends that they do on YouTube. But other than that, that's all. So, say bye.
Bye!